Yes.
Hey, the weather forecast said it might snow tonight.
What do you want me to do about it?
Ah, come on, Bay. Don't be so grouchy.
I'm not being grouchy. I just want to finish my work.
Okay, I understand. Maybe I'll come back later with some Chick-fil-A, and you can let me proofread your paper.
Wendy, whenever you come in here and interrupt me, you're breaking my concentration. You're distracting me, and it takes me time to get back to where I was. Understand?
Okay.
Whenever you hear me typing, or not typing, it means that I'm working. Whatever the F you hear, it means do not come in. Now do you think you can handle that?
Okay.